Hey guys, it's Christina with Candid Property Solutions, and right now I'm in front of a house that we are in escrow with right now. We're about to close in a few days, and I thought I would tell you guys a little bit about the situation that the seller came to us with, so you can see what kind of things we're able to help with. This seller actually lives out of state, and she had her son living here, but he had to relocate for a job, and so that's why she needed to sell. And she had actually first tried to put it on the market, and she listed it for about a month, didn't get any offers. Actually, she did have one offer, but they ended up falling through, and she was having actually a lot of issues with the house. Let me show you. Okay, so here you can see the front of the house. It's in a great neighborhood, a great location. It's actually, the house is in fairly good condition, but comes with two issues that she was having problems with retail buyers. So you can see the property sits on a main road, so that's kind of a drawback for a lot of retail buyers. And then the other eyesore is the fact that it's right next to these power plants, and there's a nursery under it, which the nursery is probably not too much of a drawback, but so with those issues, it was just making it really difficult for her to get rid of the property. She really didn't have the funds to keep making the monthly payment without having any income from someone living there. So she needed a fast solution. That's why she called us. We were able to give her a price that beat the competitors, and so she was happy with, and we're closing in about 2 weeks total. So we'll be closing on Tuesday. And it's a win for everyone. So if you have an issue like this, maybe circumstances of where your house is just makes it really tough to sell to retail buyers, then definitely give us a call, and we would love to give you an offer for your house. We're buying houses in all 50 states now, so we can help you no matter where you are. All right, thanks. Have a great day.